So I was building a revenue audit for coaches today, and there is one question in it that I think is more important than any other question. More important than how many followers you get, more important than how many leads you get, more important than your conversion rate. One number, and when I ask coaches about this, they don't know the answer, right? They have no idea about that question, and that one number is probably costing them more in their entire business. So when I was building this audit, the first question I wrote was very simple. How long does it take for a new lead to receive their first personalized response? Not an automated email, not an automated confirmation, but a real message, right? And I made this the first question for a specific reason because I already knew this one number tells you more about a coaching business, and most coaches have never measured. And here is the psychology behind why I put it first. When someone fills your form, they are not just submitting their information, they are in a moment, right? They have been watching you, they have been consuming your content, they have been building trust. And something you said pushed them over the edge, right? That form fill is the highest emotional point in your entire relationship with that person, right? Peak intent, peak trust. They are more ready in that exact moment than they will ever be again. And what happens next determines everything. I built the question because I wanted coaches to confront them more because most of them never do. So here is what I found when coaches answered this question. And look, this didn't surprise me, but it confirmed everything I already believed about why coaching businesses stay stuck, right? Most coaches have no idea how long it takes because they have never thought to measure it, right? And that gap between a lead showing interest and the first real response is anywhere from 2 hours to 2 days. And coaches are still wondering why their leads go cold, why their discovery calls no shows, why the calendar fills up and then empties again. That gap is why. So here is the concept I built this question around. Intent indicator, right? The moment someone fills your form, a clock starts. Not a real clock, but a psychological one. And every hour that passes, reality enters. Distraction enters. Doubt enters. Second thoughts enter. Maybe this is expensive. Maybe I can figure this out on my own. Maybe I am not ready. And the lead goes cold. Not because they are bad leads, but because humans naturally returns to equilibrium. V naturally returns to normal, meaning the longer you wait, the more normal it means. And the normal is the state they were in before they found you. That is the intent ticket. And it starts the second they hit some. Now, I didn't build this question on instinct. The data backs it up. After 5 minutes, conversion probability drops by 78%. Meaning, if you're closing 30% of your discovery calls, you are actually at 6% of what's possible. And the other 24% didn't leave because your offer was wrong. They left in the window between their form fill and your first time. And here is what I find interesting about it. Most coaches are spending thousands on ads generating leads, while they are losing 78% of the leads they already have in a gap they have never actually measured it. That's the exposure right there. And look, here is a thing that nobody in the coaching industry wants to say. The problem is not the market. The problem is not the algorithm. The problem is not the economy. The problem is what happens in the first 5 minutes after someone raises their hand. And the reason nobody talks about this is because lead generation is visible, right? You can see the followers, you can see the reach, you can see the ad spend, but the momentum gap is invisible. It happens quietly in the background every single day. And because nobody sees it, nobody fixes it. But invisible doesn't mean harmless. It means expensive. And when I show this to coaches, their first response is always, okay, I need to follow up faster, right? And I already know what's going to happen next. They will try for a week, maybe two, and then life gets in the way. Client calls, coaching sessions, content creation, and the lead starts sitting again. Because fast follow-up as a human is not scalable. Now, that is not a discipline problem. That is a model problem. And the coaches I have seen win consistently, they didn't get more discipline. They removed the discipline entirely from the equation. And instead, they built something that doesn't need motivation, doesn't need remind. So after building this audit and seeing the same answer from coach after coach, I built something to close that gap, right? It's basically an AI system, and here is how it actually works. When someone fills your form, in under 60 seconds, they receive a message in the exact coach's voice, right? Referencing to what they wrote, their specific problems, and their goals, right? It also asks questions to open a real conversation, and while that conversation runs, the systems also codifies them. If they are the right fit, the calendar link goes out and they book. And the coach finds out when a new discovery call appears on their calendar that they didn't book themselves, right? That's what closing that momentum gap actually looks like. So here is what I want you to take from this video. The principle underneath question 1 of this audit is this. Revenue is created when intent exists. Revenue is lost when intent expires, right? And every coaching business sits somewhere on that line. Either you are meeting the intent or you are losing it. And the number that tells you where you sit is very simple. How long does it take for a new lead to receive a real response from you? That is your momentum score. Under 5 minutes, you are ahead of 90% of coaches. Over an hour, you are already using clients who already choose you.